Може ли Северна Македонија да очекува консензус околу преговарачката рамка за влез во Европската Унија?
In my view, it's not the most important question, because it is clear what this country needs to do to get through all the negotiating chapters with the European Union, starting with chapter 23 and 24, which are all about the rule of law and human rights. But there are all the other chapters about the economy and free markets and tariffs and government procurement and what you do about your energy policy and the environment and all these things. It is clear what this country has to do, and it has already done a lot of these things. So even if the exact date of this, what the so-called intergovernmental conference that starts the formal negotiation, even if this date still shifts, which is possible because this is politics. You never know what happens here, what happens in Brussels, what all the member states think. But even if these dates shift a little bit, whether it is this December or maybe February, this process, there's no reason to delay this process. The road to reform is clear, it needs to be done and it needs to be implemented.
Новата методологија за влез во Европската Унија предвидува и добрососедски односи, но Република Бугарија последниве месеци го засилува притисокот врз државата со барања кои силно ја вознемируваат македонската јавност. Може ли да се очекува блокада од оваа соседна земја?
I think this country has made remarkable steps in the past by concluding the Prespa agreement and the friendship agreement with Bulgaria. Yeah. These two agreements and also the Ohrid framework agreement internally, but these agreements have opened the way for this country to move forward, to move towards membership of NATO, which has happened now, and it has opened the way to become member of the EU, which was approved in March. To stay on that road, North Macedonia needs to solve its problems with its neighbors, and that means implementing these treaties. But that is a purely bilateral matter. This has no influence on the negotiations in Brussels to go through the chapters. So formally, I have no opinion about that.